Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in this 2006 Honda Accord LX. Procedures will be similar for most Accord models from 2003 to 2007, but be sure to know the specifics of your vehicle before getting started. Once you have your new cabin air filter, here's what you'll do. Open your glove box and remove everything inside. Once the glove box is empty, push the damper on the right side of the glove box toward the front of the car to disengage it. Press in on both sides of the glove compartment to lower it out of the way. Now you should see the panel end of the cabin air filter tray. Push in on the clips at both ends of the panel to disengage them. Now you should be able to slide the tray out along with the filter. Remove the old filter from the tray and clean the tray and cabin air filter slot if needed with a microfiber towel. Install your new filter in the tray with the airflow direction arrows pointed downward. Once the filter is properly seated, reinstall the tray into the housing until you hear the clips on either side click into place to secure it. Lift your glove compartment up until it slides into place and re-engages on both sides. Reattach the glove box damper on the right side. Replace any items you removed from the glove box and close it. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you are not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. And we'll see you again soon.